Hi class, Mrs. Calvi here. I'm just going to show you the first two examples from the second worksheet, which is graphing a line. So question 1 says to graph the line using the given point, given slope, and the y-intercept. So they gave this slope of 3/5 and a y-intercept of 1. So remember, in order to graph, you need to first plot your y-intercept. So if they're telling us that the y-intercept is 1, that means that is point 0, 1. Remember, the first number is your x, the second is your y. So if they're saying the y-intercept is 1, the 1 goes in the spot of the y. Your x will always be 0. All right? So from my origin, this is where I'm just going to go and plot my point now. Let's see. All right, so 0, 1, starting at my origin. The first number tells me to go left or right. I'm not going left, I'm not going right, I'm staying at 0. My second number tells me to go up or down. Because it's a positive 1, I'm going to go up to positive 1, plot a point. All right, now this is where I'm going to use my slope to find my second point. My rise over my run. So I have 3/5. Because my 3 is positive, I'm going to go up 3 units from the point that I already plotted. So 1, 2, 3. Remember, I always run right. So I'm going to run right 5 units. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Plot a point. If I want more points, I'm going to go up 3 again, right 5. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now, if I want points in the other direction, this is where I'm going to do the opposite. Instead of going up 3, right 5, this is where I'm going to go down 3, left 5. You can only do this when you want points in the opposite direction. All right. So down 3, left 5. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Plot a point. That's enough. I know in Go Formative it's not allowing you to actually draw the line, so just plotting your points is fine unless you want to actually do it on paper and attach a picture. All right, so this is problem 1. Let's go to problem 2. Okay, problem 2, they're giving us a slope of 7 and a y-intercept of -3. So to plot this, I'm going to plot my y-intercept first. So they're telling me it's -3, so that point will be 0, -3. I'm going to always plot my y-intercept first. So starting at my origin, the first number tells me to go left or right. Well, I'm not going left or right. I'm staying at 0. My second number tells me to go up or down. So -3, I would have to go down to -3, plot a point. So 0, -3 is plotted. Now I'm going to use my rise and run. Well, if you notice, I just have a whole number. In order to have a rise and run, I'm just going to put that over 1. So I'm going to go up 7 because it's a positive 7. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 units, and then write 1. Plot a point. I want another point, so I'm going to go up 7 again and write 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Write 1. If I wanted more points down here from this bottom point, I would go down 7 and left 1. But this is fine. Okay? So this was for worksheet 2, showing you how to do number 1 and number 2. And I will talk to you soon.